Good morning, AP Lang. Welcome to week 2 of e-learning. Just a couple announcements for the week. One, we only have class on Monday and Wednesday of this week, so you'll only have assignments due for me on those 2 days. Secondly, I posted in Google Classroom on Saturday a notice that I got sent from the College Board because I know a couple of you were asking about the test. They sent a notice saying, we respect that many schools are closed. We plan to change the test so that it's only free response questions. We're still working through the details. So I posted in Google Classroom exactly what I received, but this is literally all we know at this point. So bear with me as we're trying to figure out more information. The one thing I do know is that we are guaranteed online lessons from College Board through the 1st of May, which is really good news for us because obviously the masterminds behind College Board and the AP test will be far better at delivering online lessons than I will. So we will continue to use those. I did read through your guys' feedback. I respect that some of you would rather have me teach you. However, please do understand that these lessons are being created and taught by teachers that have been doing this for far longer than I have. So we need to take advantage of those resources. So to give you an overview of what we're doing this week, on Monday, we're going to watch another online lesson, which I will post, and there'll be an activity to go along with that. And then on Wednesday, we're going to do a rhetorical analysis activity similar to the one that they're discussing in the 2 lessons that we've done. So I had you guys do the end activity of the first video that we watched, and you will be building off of this in the second video. So thank you guys for your effort. I know that this is really different. I know that you might be struggling, but please bear with me. One thing I do want to remind you of, because this was a reoccurring issue in this class, just because I'm not sitting there asking you further detailed questions does not mean you don't have to defend your answers. So if you're giving a response to a question, no matter how short it is, you need to defend your answer with evidence. More specifically, the big issue in this past week, was the space cat. Some of you were just writing terms, which is great, but that doesn't mean a whole lot to me because you could just be writing terms. Give me examples of it. Say, where this thing is, how it's being worked, etc. Okay, so we'll continue to build off of this. Don't be surprised if we have another space cat activity. Don't be surprised if we start doing some writing relatively shortly in the coming weeks if we have an extended e-learning period. All right, so hope you guys have a great week. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call me. Bye.